ODI introduces the Dearborn Safety Series, the newest innovation in ADA-compliant lavatory tubular covers. The Dearborn Safety Series tubular covers reduce risk and liability through code compliance through the Americans with Disabilities Act. They provide a safe and durable option for all bathrooms needing to comply to ADA standards. The Dearborn Safety Series features a patent-pending form-fit design that makes installation simple and fast. Simply measure, open and trim, note orientation of the components, wrap the supply lines, supply stops, grid drain tailpiece, J-bend, and wall tube. Then press together. The hook and loop closure system makes for a fast installation and a durable, long-lasting hold. Flexible EVA foam conforms to the shape of the P-trap and supply lines for a clean and neat appearance. The universal design easily accommodates 1 1/4 inch, 1 1/2 inch brass and plastic tubular. It's UV resistant, so it will not yellow over time and inhibits the growth of bacteria, fungi, and microorganisms. Accommodating offsets in supply lines, the Dearborn Safety Series complies with all relevant codes and standards. ADA compliance means safe and secure access for all patrons and residents. Dearborn Safety Series has a full assortment for all ADA-compliant tubular cover needs for a durable, long-lasting fit that is fast and easy to install. Choose Dearborn Safety Series ADA-compliant piping covers. Minimize risk and maximize efficiency with the Dearborn Safety Series from ODI.